Hello, my friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa here on the Not Too Shabby channel. And I am here today to introduce you to the monthly mood board for the month of September. I have used the Autumn My Favorite Color paper pad and the Harvest Glitters paper pad to create my 4 cards. And I am bringing in for my cards today an older sketch that we did last year sometime for the monthly mood board. We don't do sketches for the monthly mood board anymore, but if you want to do this sketch, you are welcome to do this sketch. But you also need to follow something on the mood board. So anyhow, I used this sketch and those products and the ephemera, the add-on ephemera, and created the, and I used, because it was sitting right here on my desk for the sentiments, I used the Cozy Fall Wishes. And I felt like I needed some fall thank you cards, so I just used the sentiment that says thanks. So I cut the background out with a scalloped rectangle die, and then I cut the 3 squares out with a 2-inch square stitch die. It was a double stitch die. And now I will tell you, because when you cut this out, you have a 2-inch strip left over. So these were a little bit hard to cut with a 2-inch square die. So, you know, just cut them the way you see fit if you choose to use this sketch. Then I added a piece of ephemera in the middle, and then I shortened up my banner and put the thanks down at the bottom here. So that's what I did to all 4 cards. I did not finish off the inside because, as I alluded to a video on my channel from the hop video yesterday, I'm completely out of white cardstock that needs to go on the inside. So I need to go get some. So then I use that big piece in the ephemera and just put the thanks sentiment right there. And then I used a cluster of the corn and the wheat and one of the flowers on that one. And then I used the dog and a hay bale and a pumpkin and a leaf here. I did not give them any enamel dots or anything like that yet because I'm kind of hoarding my fall is coming collection of enamel dots. I don't want to completely use them up, and so I will probably go through my stash to see what I can pull to put on top of them, and you know, see what colors I have and all that kind of stuff. So thank you so much for watching. This was a short video, short intro for the mood board. I hope to see all of your creations this month, and I comment on all of them when I can. If you put, I do want to let you know that if you put your which is totally fine, but if you put your project in the kind of linky thing and you link it up there and it doesn't take me anywhere else, there's no way that I can comment on it. But please know that I look at all of them. I love looking at your projects, and so I hope we get a lot of participation this month. Fall is a great time for making cards, so make sure you enter, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.